Hello, welcome to Patrick's Garage. Right now, I am doing little mini projects, and this is the other one, was to fix this wooden little kitty. It's got some sparkles. My youngest daughter, actually busted it, trying to grab it, whatever, so we're going to take some wood glue and slap it on there. So let's get started. I technically could cheat and just use, uh, you know, uh, hot glue, whatever, just like I did before, but on a different project. But we're not going to do that. We're going to do wood glue because this is wood. So we're going to do this right here. This right here. Little dibs here, little dibs there. Okay. There we go. See? Some glue right there. Alright, now we're going to stick it back on there. Now, the fun part is trying to clamp it. So I have some C-clamps somewhere. I'm going to go grab those real quick. Hopefully this is big enough. I don't know. This will be interesting. I don't know if this... Oh, it might. It just might. Or maybe I should do it the other way. There, bear with me here. We just need enough pressure for it to sit. If I can get this thing to stay... Ah! Oh no! Okay, that's not going to work. Okay. Let's see. Maybe super glue or hot glue would be better. I don't think wood glue's going to work. Okay, you know what? We're gonna cheat. We're gonna try something. We're gonna heat the wood glue on there, and we're going to plug this hot glue gun back in, and we're gonna get it going. And I'm gonna wipe that side area. Okay. We're gonna take this rag. Gonna wipe this excess on the side. Same on the other side. Wipe the excess. And then we're doubling down on the gluing. So hopefully this is still pretty hot. We're gonna just kind of sort of weld it in this case. Okay, it's getting hot. There she goes. Okay. Now we're going to do the other side. Oh, she's running. Okay. Unplug. There we go. That's done. There, now we're just going to let it dry. That should definitely hold now. Alright. Well, I guess that's it. I don't know how good you'll be able to see. There we go. Fixed. Alright. Alright. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.